Praise the Lord. We did it.
So, welcome to Mama Lam's channel again. I'm
Welcome,
Cassandra. This is my friend Kane. We're gonna be making a curry chicken over rice today.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
So why don't you just take us through what we're working with here?
All right, cool. So what we're going to need for our dish today is potatoes.
All right.
That's already diced up.
They're diced up. Okay.
We only used one potato.
All right. They're not mashed. All right.
And then we got chicken here. We use chicken thighs. So
Okay.
it's deboned, skinless. So just dice it up, and that's about half a pound.
Okay.
And then we're gonna use some oil. Mama Lam's curry paste.
Always I need that.
And we have rice left over, so that's just warming over here.
It's already been warming,
Yeah.
so that's all set.
Yeah.
I think we're all ready to go now, aren't we?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna put some oil in here.
All right. Good amount. Yeah, good amount. Not too much,
Right.
not too little. There you go.
We gotta fry up the potatoes. All right. You wanna put the potatoes
Is it
in?
hot enough now?
Yeah, it's hot enough.
All right. Now we
Careful,
will
it's hot.
put these potatoes
Yep. Careful.
right in here.
All
Easy
right.
enough, right?
All right. Let's let this fry up so it's nice and golden. Okay, you cook a lot at home?
Well, funny you ask. I do cook, and potatoes happen to be one of my favorite foods. That's pretty much all we ate growing up every day in an Irish household. And yeah, I looked at potatoes as my dessert. I ate them for dessert. So that is a fun fact.
I don't know. Can you actually make potatoes? I guess you can make potatoes sweet.
Well,
Never
I
done
don't need.
that.
I just loved mashed potatoes, so this will be a new style I'm eating today.
French.
But
French
you can't
fry.
go wrong with chicken and potatoes. Am I right?
Yeah, exactly. All right. See, sorry how it's starting to like look a little crispy around
The
there?
color is changing
Just
for you folks at home.
slightly. All right. Let's keep flipping it a little bit.
All right, we're gonna work together on this.
Yeah. Oh, and we also have the fire on medium heat.
Medium
now.
heat.
So it's not like when it starts to boil, I turn
Right.
it down to medium heat.
That is a good default setting.
Yeah. Alright, let's give it some more time to... So you see how this color's, well, what, shades already?
Yes, yes. I see it changing. This is
Alright.
good.
It's good?
I don't know if it's 100% yet. Can you tell me if it's 100%?
Not yet.
Okay.
Let's give it a little more.
Just so you know, Cassandra Lam has done this recipe, meal, dish over 100 times.
Well, yeah, that's what
And
my mom made growing up.
This is what this is what the OG Mama Lam made. And we're just kind of continuing the tradition. That's all we're
Yeah.
doing here. So
And it's super easy.
it's very easy. And you'll see.
Alright, so I have my plate over here with a paper towel.
Okay. So what do you
this
think?
is about ready.
All
We're
right.
gonna take it out. But you're not gonna pour it out, Kane. I'm gonna turn off the fire.
Right.
Okay, you use that.
We're not going to pour it. We're going to do it the right way.
Ladle it out.
All right. That's done.
Golden brown potatoes. So now we're just gonna let that sit for a little bit while we cook up the chicken. There's extra oil from the frying the potatoes, so we're just gonna pour that into a bowl.
We're not getting rid of the oil.
No, you can just.
We're gonna use it.
All right, ready? You ready? We're gonna cook the chicken.
So we're
now.
going to do this together and we're going to do it right.
Yeah.
Take
Alright.
me through this.
Here, put the chicken in first. The half
Okay.
pound chicken.
There we go, all at once. That's how you do it. There you go.
Oh my God. Alright, so raw chicken's in. We're on high heat. We're gonna put about a tablespoon of Mama Lam's curry paste.
That looks good.
We'll put a little bit more later.
Let's-
So start
Traditional.
sauteing it.
So we're going to saute it and we're going to mix it all together here.
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells good. Smell that? Breathe it in.
Oh, it smells so good. Alright, get that chicken stuck on there. Alright, nice. See
We're
how
doing this.
Curry paste is evenly coated.
Ah,
with
gives it a
chicken.
nice color. Oh yeah.
So now, like, it's evenly coated, right, the curry paste. I'm gonna let it sit a little bit.
All right.
So chicken has to cook, obviously, right? So we're gonna like let the curry paste really soak into the chicken. That's why you gotta put the curry paste in from the beginning, because otherwise, if it doesn't soak in the flavors as much.
You add the curry paste with the chicken as you're cooking. Do not add it at the end. That's our recommendation. Right, right.
I mean, you could add a little bit more near the end of it, just to give it some more like flavor.
It's better if it cooks as it's all brewing together. Yeah.
All right. So now we're gonna put the potatoes in.
Why don't I get those for you?
Yeah. All right. You do that. All right. Put the potatoes in.
So we have the potatoes here, as you remember from earlier, and we're just gonna put them in.
So we're just gonna mix it all up together. Here.
All right.
You got this?
So now we have chicken and potatoes like we promised, and it is going good. Oh yeah.
So
that's the stuff.
Yeah, keep mixing it, Kane.
My oh my.
All right.
Now, how long do you think we should let this sit?
So I'm gonna turn it on like medium, low heat, and then we're just gonna let it sit for like maybe 3 minutes. Okay.
But you can tell how brown these potatoes are and how good this chicken looks. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable.
It smells so good.
I cannot wait to have a bite. Scrape. A lot of scraping and tossing and turning. Those are what you should remember to do.
Yep, exactly. So it doesn't stick to the pan. How's it looking?
Okay, it's looking good.
Yeah. This is about ready. Alright, fire's off. Chicken is ready. We're going to set it aside for a little bit.
I have the white rice.
Yep.
Ready to dish it out right here, right?
Yep, yep.
Okay.
We're doing, usually this is 1 serving size, but, you know, we're going to share it.
Sharing is caring.
Yeah. Well, wait, why did you put it all in this one?
Okay, so we're not sharing. No, we are.
Yeah, I'll just...
So, we want some over here, you know. We're gonna make 2 bowls for 2 people.
Yeah, exactly.
And
okay, how's the rice?
That is a good proportion. All right.
Good? It's half and half?
Yes.
You're good on that? All right. So now here's the chicken. This is hot. All right.
Wow. That looks good.
A little crispy.
Still steaming. Still hot.
Yeah, definitely hot still. Alrighty. So that's there.
Okay. Now, what are we doing for this final touch?
We're just cutting some scallions on top.
Cutting some scallions. You hear that?
Yeah.
All right.
There. Yeah, it's good. Nice, Kane.
Nice and gentle.
Just cut it all up.
This is what the restaurants do.
This
is what we're doing.
Put on yours.
Gives it a nice presentable look too. As the final piece. All right.
Yep.
I think we're good.
All right. You can leave that in the sink. Over there. Good to go.
Okay.
All right.
Now, utensils.
Yes.
Am I right? Mission accomplished. We got the utensils. Here's one for you.
Thank
Here's
you.
one for me. We're locked and loaded. Let's do this. Me, I like to mix it up a little bit.
I'm not a mixer.
She's not a mixer. I am.
Very yummy. It's so good. And the potatoes, like, that's why my mom loves potatoes.
That is some good chicken curry. To die for.
How easy was it too?
Make sure you slow me down. I'm a fast eater.
Oh my god, it's really good. I can eat the whole bowl.
I'm telling you, what makes it good is this right here. For everyone at home, I'm telling you, 100% guaranteed delicious. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Man, where is everybody? Ah, hey, left me some food.
And also, click subscribe. A lot more of this coming.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. All it takes is one easy click.